us sing His mercy and His grace in the mansion.
Ejan desu ye da fofra ye ho Yankopon e de achem no mienu. Adom ni ahweye nti nim se oda so won kwam. Ne ho Yankopon go so hirawo. Na obekoso ahirawo. If so wo bre e manasem. E da pa da wase akwanya ode aman. Indesu ye beto aso etie wasem. Ma honhom no nkasa nkyerɛ ye yaso nyani yenim de ne yadwene mu na asɛm na tumi atenem ne anya tiefo anada ye ye tumi aya asɛm no ye for Jesus Christ name. Amen. If they made it, yes, we can. Says Uncle Fish, one na watching na so mutumi ejina be ya kronkron from on there mudi o heaven gate there. Yes, you bet me. Tindra ye hwe Isaka and Isabel. And I share Joseph. Then the Shemite is saying he was honest, moral sound, and a man of integrity. Joseph yenipa na obunoho odini huni na nim ye dru na sina Joseph wo mrawe Joseph mrawe yense na no ye me pre Joseph na no na ya pre no akwaka papa se ochira maka kotata afofra abere chale man ya new guy bi o anya new guy bi o guy ne de ohwe me papa Joseph go from bi no chale me wife de yenzu my wife de chale me yere de chale me yere nyimo wasanyim wanyimfo ye be say no Joseph go from omokasa right on twin keep secret. Hey, I pray no akwaka. But ni na echi no. Women enkwafo, they are honest, moral sound, and very integrity people. Women enkwafo, omo aduonyam. Womo dimu. Omo atwemu daho. He had no resentment in his heart. When enkwafo omo fa amanfo asem bia nsho omo. But won't mean keep secret. He could say to his brothers, or catch there, Ninia no, Tiasimo kind. Genesis chapter 45, verse number 8. Or say, but you say nothing. And Yamo and a Mosma me baha, Nemo. When Yankopon or Ademe Abaye say, fellow, Nejanini fear in a ula. Enemy's dream, as I see now, so therefore. Blood in the tongue. Na Joseph okoko de fiase na fiase dem fellow yere enadwe so ne no kawe de freedom we ula yere fellow yere so na ho fe pa one me na asmenye okode fiase ofiri ho na fiase ndan mu no afide obebenya position na fedu e bi e kom bae no ni nua no bae the word o ka chon say enyamo na moton me ba ba na menim say Yankopon no de me ba so be pagya me no ama me so say me medi ade e wo Misrim ha na ama mo so e bi a mo ho atom me say osua de be free ha Joseph Suban no I say he never blamed people for his pain but trusted in God's providence. Joseph ebusuane yenkrofo a wamo mfa bremu nto amanfo so wamo yenkrofo a wonye complain ana yemu na moton me ba na de semu ahu moton me ba na mo se ka mu bekume na de wan se mete a mo abetra se memwam apro twa kai David Joseph nkrofo ntisa upon yaw na ni nuanom de fam na no na wa akoma pa e ma wo ebia ya obi ya wade atumi ya wo ya bebre Nka wo akoma pa ma wo ma ne nya wo ya ebia wo fi Joseph abusuan mu unuanom town babusuan town de wo ye bia nye won fe asafo no de wo ye bia manfo nkanfo adwene mo wo nkwa de abe ye bia ye be ya ho asemaka ebise wo mu han bi wo mu mu se da che bia ba be di wo mo so wo mu se da che bia de adwuma be hye wo nsa ye mu se da che bia na nhye be pie o hu se wo da che pe bi ebia da che ba be odi for sofo kase bi ba be skeli kase bi nti otan ɛne ya ti da person bre wase but for Joseph subane bi mfa bone ntua bone ka no never Joseph anyesa I say these are Christians who manifest unconditional forgiveness to their brothers. It is she said they are only a number from or town food chese wo fie obi abefo no prese wo de bone be che said they are Joseph not allowing the past actions of others to decide their reaction towards them. Joseph abusuan yankrofo a da wo kai da wo de aye won atwom ana wo ada no wo ye ba akona manfiu ni ntin ne so dabi Joseph nkrofo ntesa won kai the past the atwom no mane twom ko or forget it on san kwaro no an na dwene nkọ akire say na wo na last wo ye mi say na wo kra me boa obri bi say no ana ye mi say nya wo kra na ma ye mi fi adwumem e ma nne ende wa beto dabi Joseph nkrofo ntesa wa mon kai the atwom na ama ede ya obia be se omumu. These are Christians who can never be bought. When you are Christopher, I want to mean to one that. Want to find out there be a dada, which na merade. Bonnie to try Marquem. No one didn't bonnet so ma womunia. One didn't bonnet more munia. Or person in your mumba cosso. Or will be a German in near. If from showing me from the next no wakoma permanent near. Joseph Abusiano. They will do all it takes to maintain their moral chastity. Young people, maintain your moral chastity. And it's Joseph Abusian, be the ombe to me be a say. Obe to me dia port ni nim die. Ni na ni onyam ho ban. Enti me nua wotie me. Hey me mo abamu mbu say, nipa yi waye, da nipa yi utotwene. Oye on papa wo de boni tua wo ka. Tugu. Twene na atotwene. Twene na atotwene. Wo fi Joseph Abusian no mo. Man kai pastor no. Ye woni anadoye. Ne ho akyere no boa no men ka so ya obribi oye mi say ono twitwa me nantiri ono oma manim gu ase akose me kire adwumewura ose me waso no mu ose me kire me yire ose me kire me kunu ose me kire me yankofo Joseph ni anom ton no nanso ni na echi no de che won suasa suban ni bi nti ade ya wo ya bebre ya jae mi one na sesa na tun jae bone mu ukunu na wafunu tumi gem feche kra o mana wo mbu no gem feche kra na dachu na fa Joseph Gate na ekoko kronkron no mu no to so bi ampese e ne Benjamin Genesis chapter 49 verse number 27 Benjamin na ne suban tesen Genesis 49:27 I say Benjamin ya pataku a tetem wam odi hanama nopa na wimre so oche asade mu hey Benjamin pataku pao pataku se ni pataku suban na so Benjamin ni papa tunofo de ntia Benjamin kwaye sane he was the baby of the family as on no na kekese okay he was poor ntino was sai kwaye ade jele so abusuanu Benjamin ebia o baby why did you say na say wa pro his father indulged and pardoned him. He was self-willed and petulant. They compare him with a wolf, destroying everything before it. Intina misban ndi ye ntino o seseniam abusuanu mu seniam ofio asemi obetua ma on tinimu dekasa ntina adu ba bi adebu onim tumi kan asem bi anyhow cause the tin was sikem wanyin was sikem ntino no we have a forkill so omuhwe mama ne how ofi Benjamin abusuanu mu nanso de atinie omo ye nkrofo a seleto mbe hunya nkopon a omo de aniodin ne akudro gi asem omo ye nkrofo mu se aniodin a wode wo wiase no ode be wuraki so sumu a untumi nsesa ne bio Benjamin nkrofo no o wiase ne so kekrakrakra ya mebo ya meyesei atutwa sem basa but brand papa be wo ofre Benjamin etu no fo no Benjamin be sesan ebe so awurade asene mu ani odin na kukudro so yan hwade bo a so who became Paul ofri Benjamin abusuemu And why imagine he said they saw who we are said the ote. Obi a Christian how what was of this tribe. These are Christians who are spoiled brats. They are Christians who are conservative, aggressive, but later become champions of grace. When you are Christian, as we are aggressive, as I want to share a crack. Just say to trust them. I'm a bull, medium to out. Say Christopher no. Now show you me. And I didn't know what Casta said. Say, Cabessa, I said, they are Benjamin, the papa two no four. Also, son, Adrian. Nature be sure at Yasenu. No one said they are no aggressive, ever Yasenu. Or by aggressive, ever at Yasenu. How can that change? Cowbefa Benjamin Gates in the upper heaven. That ain't Cowbefa. This was husband and then catchy. A be to trust them to quap F4. We are mebo cause from one day. Pataku. Count one, Obia Ma, Brum, what you do, baby beer. If you have to say so, Paul. No, only enough fee, a bushy. That's what much best sign. I'm a there from a concron for. I'm a there Benjamin Dean or Heaven Gate. Yes, if they made it, me and you, we can. We went to me just as mine, and to trust when you are dead to quap any such manner. But me up to Nagu at a buffon tentem. Quick temper, our wealth now tones that can drink. So a penny to say, who was such man catch the mouth? I can't your home. Say you real bad jatum. None the day, what don't want my Christian, where Jala one in Mojanum. No, what you were, or passed in now, right yesterday, the bed check. A veteran never says so to me, so poor. I told him past in Negui. I'll share a pork and when you see Stephen at war, and to trust some high Christian for. Natural as a sign. I be your concrony dear, and the answers are no million when it does so. Said your Watson, what's the Samba Raddy Bejo? Now, pass any or dinner will be arsenal, for best check is so soon. The Raddy and Gopon, Abejo, now that will be for Benjamin Gates, Aqua Heaven. And the HR tree Manasseh. He will praise the two tribe. Nanka, Ebushiakumi and Nubi, one more cabat ye will need free more heavenly gates. Eddie Manasseh, a baby shame. Ephraim and Dan. Ye won't need free more. Who God rejected? Are you in any of this tribe? Who were Ephraim and not Dan? A bush mudia, and you near heaven a bedding. Manasseh, you'll be also brand of Wasi. Manasseh Joe, or who more bro. Manasseh brand was what in or some party, unto some. It's all boss me on Crawford. Obia me proper or never proper. Member Bemum Wedman, who is Abushim. Ya kwa so du obia nko ono obeko. O ya pen kwafo fo bi nan ko ma ko gina ya nem wa sora yese obeko. O abusuan no mayi adu wonchi enye ho ayi san kwafo na ha. Adwem ye po ma sacrifice wo hwan bibi o obeye ofiri Manasseh abusuan no wo that ade no. Abusuan bo ina the winner of free. Are you in any of these tribes? None will be lost except a Dan or an Ephraim. Obi biara nyira chese wo free Dan ebusuam ana Ephraim ebusuam. Saint ni say, one man can one money. Jacob 821 for one man sisa. Said na Dan suban no sa na okosu krem. Na ntitwitwa ne abrabo pone. Ewiase tutwasem Dan enjrem enjam okosu krem. Jacob tunufu Dan and Sakra. Ephraim the same thing so ansisa. Nti Awurade yi won frem. Nti heaven gate wo mudi nnu. Are you in any of this group? Victory is yours if you will trust the Lion of Judah. Ekunim de be yaw dia sa odo ho beto ye ho Yankopon so. Na sa busuaku dumieni odo ho ato emu bia so. Na sere ne won suban ne tene se wo bi na oba firi mu a. Ekunim de be yaw dia. Awurade Yankopon ne mogya ne bedwalo. Na so me se hyane so se wo Ephraim anata na busuarim dia jai. Ene ne nkrofo a wutu wonfo a won sesa wa adwene. Ne ote anote hwemfa no waza mundia wasem ere ne yente da be koso aye ne besinsi. What is adia de besi Dana sesa ntema ye need free the 12 tribe no. Ephraim ye need free. me bi sa nto bra Jacob tu afo ko mo sakra wa adwanka Manase Canadian bembi na se na o man sesanti yi wondin free mu ya komaden din bi e wo mu free ho ya chinya koma bi a free mu se dia Hosea kan se nimdi a mema ya ponti ombeyira na so me mpo sa nimdi bra wa koma se na ma asam ne ntena ho mu na sa asam ne ntena ho mu a asam na kase be chiro dia obey if they made it yen so e betumi akọ heaven enka echi ma ende ya domre kwaje da ma sadia omre ye ti bia konkoto dwe na ka chiro azero ade me mre ye ni me hu se na me woda na busua mu bi na so nne de ma jetu se masetra madre ade yankopon de be chew obusua kudumi na watwe ya hwe na minim se wahu ba bia ogina so ho de satra wadwene kura ogidie mu pompae ade de trene ata no be show na da ache be fasa gate ni makọ na Ephraim ne dan ebusua de dwane Ephraim ade eja ye ho show nsa na watwa ma ye hu se ye wani da so esa nkofo e obo wondin na senne wonya kwanya o heaven o mudi o heaven gate dia wo hye ye nkran se ye nso ye de ho ma wa obegye ye na so ye so se dan ebusua ne Ephraim ebusua de ye mpe se sa asubani bi wo ye mu de asesan ye nwimre boana yi sa akomaden din na afre ye mu na meya wo brase akoma ye twimi de adi wasem ye kiri yehu yankopon hyiraw on show di ne kra ogidie mu kusisa ne mbaye ne besan babio e na akuhye o dokda kro konkron no mu o Jesus Christ name amen.